folks, we are at the Greenberg Train Show, and here's the METCA table with some magnificent rail cars that you really need for your collection. With us are our two rail car meisters, Stu and Andy, who are going to tell you a bit about the cars. Stu, it's all yours.
Thank you very much, Pete. So some of the more recent offerings we have here at our METCA Club Cars are a couple of blue coal cars. So we all know that blue coal is often shipped in hoppers, but that's for the commercial markets. For the residential markets, blue coal is bagged into individual bags. So that product is shipped in boxcars. So we have two different boxcars featuring the traditional blue coal graphics. One is a Delaware Lackawanna and Western. This is a beautiful two-tone silver and blue paint scheme. Traditional, as I said, blue coal graphics. It's very similar to a car that was done in HO scale. This Lionel car, made in the USA, features die-cast sprung trucks and a die-cast frame. All sorts of little lettering details with return to METCA notations on the car, on the door. Talks about coal dust hazard, so there's an explosion hazard. If you don't like Delaware, Lackawanna, and Western, we also have that car available in Delaware and Hudson. Again, similar theme, the blue coal theme, but completely different set of graphics. So these cars are available on the METCA website. You go to www.metca, that's METCA.org, and you can order each one of these cars individually at $89 a piece, or you can get the pair for $169. Both of those are made in the USA. Now we'll turn it over to Andy to talk about some other cars.
Andy, we've got some fantastic tank cars here. Tell us about them.
Right, so we have Atlas tank cars. They're prototypical of the actual colors of the tank cars that were made for Pennsylvania Railroad. We had the first, the Tuscan with the actual road number, and we have the black with the road number. They're Atlas. There's limited quantity of
80 a piece.
80 a piece, and they are $89 a piece, or the pair for $169, and they are quite heavy. And then up here we have the Rankin's milk and cream car, not to be confused with Stu Rankin, president of the TCA. It's the actual Rankin's Milk and Cream Brewery from Brooklyn, New York. And it matches our other milk cars that we successfully have made. And that is $89. And all of the cars, once again, are available on www.metca.org.
Fantastic. We've got some locomotives up here. If I can just move over. First we have this beauty.
So I'm going to talk about two of our Lionel Legacy SW8 switchers. They're small and diminutive in size, but they pack a lot of features. They're full Legacy equipped with all the sounds and bells and whistles. So this switcher is road number 801, painted in the Electromotive paint scheme. This is an actual prototypical demonstrator scheme that really existed on the actual real-life number 801 demonstrator scheme. So beautiful little switchers, all die-cast frame, die-cast trucks, die-cast fuel tank there, a motor, one large motor in the central fuel tank with a drive shaft that drives all the wheels. All the wheels are powered, has your electro couplers front and rear. Again, full Legacy features on that. While we're talking about SW8 switchers, let's go over here to the right. We have a similar SW8 switcher in the demonstrator scheme. This is road number 105. Again, this is the prototypical paint scheme for EMD. They had first done the older style Electromotive paint scheme, the two-tone red that you just saw. Then they updated their corporate image and they went to the black and white scheme with the large red EMD demo. All wire handrails, smoke unit on the inside. So striping on the pilots along with, just like the other unit, all powered wheels underneath, all metal gears, multiple pickup rollers so that you get very smooth speed performance as it goes over track. This will go on any radius of track, 031 track, for both of those EMD switchers. So they're perfect for a small layout if you want locomotives with full legacy features. Some of the most affordable some of the most affordable legacy locomotives out there. These are $499 a piece, or you can get a pair, one of each of them, for $950. Go to the METCA website, metka.org, and look for the store.
Great. Andy, we have a piggyback car and 2 hoppers. Would you tell us about them?
So in the back here we have the cold beer trailer on flat car. We have the two different trailers, one with Pennsylvania and one with the New York Central lines. There's 96 of each made. They're from MTH. They are Premier, and they are available on our website at www.metka.org. And down below here we have some fish belly hoppers that are also MTH. We have 2 of the 3 in stock right now. First we have the Coal and Coke in stock, and we have the Bethlehem Coke Works. We have a 3rd fish belly hopper coming, Pocahontas Coal. It's on a back order. It should be here in about a month or so. We have 2 road numbers of each name, so we have 2 Bethlehem Coal and Cokes, we have 2 Bethlehem Coke Works, and we have 2 Bethlehem, 2 Pocahontas Coal fish belly hoppers. 64 of each road number was made. There's limited quantities left. We did sell out a lot at our last show, and these are also available at www.metka.org, and they're also available right here at our show.
Fantastic. Thanks very much, gentlemen. And for you folks watching this, come to the train shows and search out the METCA table, and we'll be happy to suit whatever desires you might have for your collection. Thanks for joining us. Bye now.